Sorry, Jen. What's up, guys? Good morning and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button, throw me a thumbs up. Today we're going to be doing one of the Drive4Five reviews of a 2015 Ford Mustang GT. So today I've been given the opportunity to drive a car I've been waiting a little while to drive. Pretty excited about this. I love this generation of the Mustang, so I'm pretty thrilled to be driving one. This is a GT. It's automatic, but that's okay. That's okay. We're gonna put it in sports mode. It's gonna be a blast to drive. So let's get out the driveway and flip this camera around and see what it's like. Let's turn traction control off. We want sport mode. I think we are good. We're in sport down here. We got paddle shifters. Let's see what this is all about. All right, so this is the newest generation of the Mustang GT. So we have a 5-liter V8 that's pushing 435 horsepower. The cool thing about this is even the V6 nowadays makes more than the old V8. They switched back to the 5-liter in 2011, and they've just continued to improve upon it since. In comparison, the V8 that was in the Mustang GT prior to this was a 4.6-liter. And it put out 300 horsepower. The new V6 makes more than that. The gas mileage on this car, not fantastic. It's a V8. You're not driving it for gas mileage. You're driving it because it's fun to drive and it's quick. It's 16 miles per gallon city, so we probably already used about half a tank, and 25 miles per gallon highway. Really not a problem though. Like I said, you're not driving this car for its gas consumption. You're driving this car to enjoy driving a muscle car, to enjoy driving a V8. And for that, what is this, 35? We haven't gone over 35, but that 0 to 60 was pretty quick. I love the feeling of these smooth V8 engines just pushing you through the gears. Blind spot's not really an issue. You can't really see anything if you turn around, but the mirrors line up really well. I can see all the way around me, no problem. The Camaros I've driven, not so much. The deliverance of power is immediate. It's smooth. The paddle shifters are really nice. I mean, if I was buying one, I'd personally opt for a manual, but the paddle shifters are pretty cool. It allows you to really enjoy the engine, but it's great still for commuting. So how much power does this V8 make? 10 horsepower more than the previous 5-liter, but 135 horsepower more than the previous GT. So that's like almost a whole extra Civic. These run for about $3,200 new. You can pick up used ones with decent mileage in the mid-20s. So the Mustang currently is available in 3 different engine configurations. You can get the 4-cylinder EcoBoost, which caused a lot of commotion when they decided to come out with that. And that produces 310 horsepower. You can get the V6, or you can get the GT, which obviously you would get the GT if you're gonna buy a Mustang. This was a world car, so they wanted to be able to sell the car as it is in the same kind of configurations around the world. They also wanted this car to be a car that can handle corners. Go straight. So some of the major differences: this has an independent rear suspension. It has a completely new front suspension. Those changes make it less of a straight line only car, and actually allows it to handle a lot better too. So going through, I mean, we're in Arizona, most of the roads are pretty straight, but that allows you to really tear through corners a lot better. It's only a matter of time until I get pulled over on one of these drives, but the seating is real comfortable. Like I said, the interior is really refined. I love the materials. It's very clean. Got leather door panels, the textured dash. The seats are actually wicked comfortable. The seats hold you in real nice. I'm gonna put the windows down for a second so you guys can hear that V8. we punch it? That's fun. I have been smiling since I got in the car. Sorry, Jen, broke traction tiny bit then. I'm gonna have to take this car back before I get pulled over or something. I'm actually in the middle of setting up a baby shower right now, but yeah, it seemed like the perfect opportunity, you know, to drive a car I've been looking forward to reviewing for a while. I love this car. This is a fantastic car to drive. I'm a 4-cylinder turbo guy. Everyone knows that. I love Mazda speed. We just got a rotary engine for the channel, which is fantastic. So I'm going to be learning a lot more about that. But I don't think you should be partial to one type of car. I think as a car enthusiast, you need to be open and enjoy cars in general. And if you've only ever driven 4-cylinder turbos, rotaries or whatever, get in a V8, find a V10, drive some other cars and really broaden it, because it feels totally different and it's really, really fun. This car is really, really fun. So that's the 2015 Ford Mustang GT. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Do you like the car? Do you not like the car? Do you like the Drive4Five reviews? Give me some feedback. Let me know what you think, what I can improve on, and what content you like for the channel. Also, send me a couple dollars towards the RX-8 project.